Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice on the stove. First, measure your desired amount of rice and rinse it well under cold, running water until the water is clear. This removes excess starch, preventing sticky rice. Next, combine your rinsed rice with water in a heavy-bottomed pot. A good rule of thumb is a 2-to-1 ratio of water to rice. Add a pinch of salt and 1 tablespoon of butter for enhanced flavor. Once your ingredients are in the pot, bring the water to a rolling boil over medium-high heat. As soon as it reaches a vigorous boil, reduce the heat to its lowest setting. Immediately cover the pot tightly with a lid. Let the rice simmer undisturbed for exactly 18 minutes. It's crucial not to lift the lid or stir the rice during this time, as it disrupts the steaming process and can lead to uneven cooking. After the 18 minutes of simmering, turn off the heat completely. Without removing the lid, let the pot rest on the stove for an additional 10 minutes. This resting period is vital. It allows the remaining steam to fully absorb into the rice grains, making them tender and fluffy. Finally, remove the lid and gently fluff the rice with a fork. This separates the grains and releases any trapped steam, preparing it for serving. For a slightly firmer texture, you can adjust the water ratio to about 1 3/4 cups of water per cup of rice. Remember that different types of rice, like brown rice, will require more water and a longer cooking time, typically around 45 minutes. Experiment to find your perfect consistency. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. They offer a lifetime warranty, so you know they're built to last.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.